Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, guys? Riddim came here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with another flashback, another throwback, whatever you want to call it. Alkaline, man himself, Vendetta Boss, with On and the Devotion Riddim. This dropped in 2014. So this falls in the category of the throwback, what I'm doing at the moment. So On is a girl song. Alkaline did drop, and this was a banger. This was a, to be honest, every song on the Riddim here was a banger. Devotion Riddim it name. You can go check it out if you don't know if you don't know which other song that's on the Riddim. So I'm gonna jump in there one and here where the Vendetta Boss officer now. Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. Sorry to interrupt your video. They again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that, and you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist and big artist, same way, you can do that same way by linking up, you see me. Jamaica_worst_gamer on Instagram, you see me. Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that, you see me. But yeah, let's get back to the video. Let's go.
Dirty germs. I fuck you, fuck making one answer the blood clot phone.
Yo, every time they hear that AJ of that, we laugh, dog. Me just noticed that the boss have a tattoo on the man say RIP giving a fuck.
Dirty germs. I fuck you, fuck making one answer the blood clot phone. You know what I'm saying? I got box down your blood clot.
Delete.
No, delete. Yo, babes, blood.
And when we say I got box down your blood, delete.
Dirty germs.
Why?
I fuck you, fuck making one answer the blood clot phone.
Mom's asleep,
you know what
man.
I'm saying? I got box down your blood clot.
No, delete.
No, delete. Yo, babes, you want to see me a call and can't get you. I don't know if I sleep or what, but just call me when you get a message and so I say. Yeah.
Yo, the boss I get angry now because he can't get through to her. Him try aggressive message and say delete. No work. Him try good message, no work. You don't want to know.
Me again. I'm a matter of fact, Junker, if you have to call your phone, just don't the foolishness and call. Just call me.
True love go.
Genius intro. This intro is a genius intro. We like it, dog. Genius.
Dirty germs. I fuck you, fuck making one answer the blood clot phone. You know what I'm saying? I got box down your blood clot. No, delete. Yo, babes, you want to see me a call and can't get you. I don't know if I sleep or what, but just call me when you get a message and so I say. Yeah. I'm me again.
Come on, fuck.
I'm a matter of fact, Junker, if you have to call your phone.
Yeah, you're the voice switch up. Yeah. I'm me again. What about that fuck, Junker?
I'm me again.
You're the voice switch up.
I'm a matter of fact, Junker, if you have to call your phone. Just don't foolishness and call.
Ready?
Just call me.
True love go on and on and on and on. On and on and on. First love go on and on and on and on. On and on and on. True love go on and on and on and on. On and on and on. First love go on and on and on and on. On and on and on. Me want to tell everybody, say you are me baby. Check, say me get over you up to know me not ready.
He want to tell everybody. Yeah, he want to shout it. Yeah, cause him proud. Yeah, him proud. Somewhat. God, dirty germs and delete. I just a love life for them up. Pull up that song again.
True love go on.
Pull up that song again. I just a love life.
Dirty germs.
Yeah, I just a toxic relationship.
Making one answer the blood clot.
But him love her same way.
You know what I'm saying? I got box
down your blood clot. Nah.
No.
Delete.
Yo, babes, you want to see me a call?
The boss love her.
I don't know if I sleep
But I just don't love your relationship though. You don't know, she the one.
Yeah. I'm me again.
Because the ladies them who enjoy the type of relationship that you know.
Call your phone.
The toxic one them. But watch out.
True love go on and on and on and on. On and on and on. First love go on and on and on and on. On and on and on. True love go on and on and on. First love go on and on and on and on. On and on and on. Me want to tell everybody, say you are me baby. Check, say me get over you up to know me not ready. Wish me coulda go back a time. The time when you were mine.
So obviously them left, you know. Obviously them left. So them vice note they were my centurion and them left long time. But the G just they reminisce on her and say you don't know me sorry. In a film way. I want to tell everybody say you are my baby. Think me get over you up to all know me not ready. So him tell her say yo, him not ready for leave her alone. Him not ready for get over her. She still up on him brain. She still up on him mind. Me want to tell everybody say you are my baby. Check say me get over you. Don't know me not ready. Wish me coulda go back a time.
The time when you were mine. Me wish me coulda set me clock to couple years be. I remember we did talk every day. You'd please me in everywhere. Now we not even talk. Me never know so you da stay.
Yo, life in a dog. Me tell you that life messed up sometime, you know. Sometimes you meet that one person and feel say, yo, that person not gonna be your forever. And two twos, boom, boom. Something happen. We don't even talk with that. I
wish me coulda go back a time.
The time when you are mine.
Me wish me coulda set me like a couple years be. I remember we did talk every day. You'd please me in everywhere. Now we not even talk. Me never know so you da stay. Forever me love you, me see you. Me love you same way. And me I gonna love you when the ear pa me bands green.
Yeah, him love her same way. And I'm gonna love her forever. Him gonna love her till every ear pan him balls grey. That the G said, not me.
Remember we did talk every day. You'd please me in everywhere. Now we not even talk. Me never know so you da stay. Forever me love you, me see you.
Me love you same way. And me I gonna love it till the ear pan me balls grey.
True love go on and on and on and on.
On and on and on.
First love go on and on and on and on.
On and on and on. True love go
on and on and on and on. On and on and on. First love go on and on and on and on.
On and on and on. Listen.
Get your back off me wisher. Sorry me call your bitcher. Twilight no sweet me so than fi sit down and watch your picture.
Forget your back off me wisher. Sorry me call your bitcher. You see me? Forget your back I'm wish. Sorry me call your bitch. And then I say, so the reason why I'm say wisher and that is that because him want tie it back in with picture. Forget the back of me wisher. Sorry me call your bitcher. Twilight no sweet me so I want to sit down and watch your picture. So him try for witcher and picture and yeah, that's why him call it him call it like that.
First love go on and on and on and on.
Watch out.
Forget your back off me wisher. Sorry me call your bitcher. Twilight no sweet me so than if you sit down and watch your picture. The way we maga, people check so we a stick. But we
the way we maga, people check so we a stick. Skin and bone. Yeah, when them have sex a friction. Bone a rub and bone. Alright, left hand.
Twilight no sweet me so than if you sit down and watch your picture. The way we maga, people check so we a stick. But we never stick together, we couldn't live no quicker. Even though you want me.
We never stick together. Even though people call we stick, we couldn't stick together. We couldn't stick together. We could have never left quicker.
Me still give you a ticker. But Twilight no sweet me so than if you sit down and watch your picture. The way we maga, people check so we a stick. But we never stick together, we couldn't live no quicker. Even though you want me ex, me still give you a ticker. You get everything right in a me book, you shouldn't this year.
Even though you are my ex, you still did everything right. Him give the tick. Yeah, him approve.
The way we maga, people check so we a stick. But we never stick together, we couldn't live no quicker. Even though you want me ex, me still give you a ticker. You get everything right in a me book, you shouldn't this year. Me vex so we left God Almighty, me miss you. Me vex but me no want to kiss me teeth, me want to kiss you.
Me vex but me no want to kiss me teeth. Me want to kiss you. Let me say you vex say she and her, him and her left. Him vex say it end or the end it end or it ended, but him still have love for her and him a go love her until the hell pan him balls great. Him say that not me.
Vex so we left God Almighty, me miss you. Me vex but me no want to kiss me teeth, me want to kiss you.
True love go on and on and on and on. On and on and on.
First love go on and on and on.
Yo, big up Not Nice.
On and on and on.
True love go on and on
and on and on. On and on and on. First love go on and on and on and on. On and on and on.
Yo, big up Not Nice. Not Nice Riddim. Devotion Riddim in name, guys. Devotion Riddim by Not Nice. Bad Riddim, bad Riddim. Let me say some bad song on it also. I think Alkaline have a next song on it if me not wrong. But if you want me to do some more upon the rhythm, the rhythm body now. This is one of that nice classic rhythm where him drop. So Alkaline just a sing to the girl in a Alkaline way. Yeah. He must sing to her in an Alkaline way and know say, yo, listen. You see me? So this rhythm have popcorn on it only. God no. Ja Vinci upon it, Walk Alone. Jamil upon it, Real Father. G Island upon no, another different rhythm that. Yeah man, and enough G Wiz upon it. Enough bad song upon the rhythm man. Jaffras. Alright, so this is how I'm gonna leave on still. If you enjoy the throwback segment and if you know Vendetta fans, make sure you like the video. If you know the Vendetta fans are not subscribed yet, make sure say subscribe to the channel. Yeah, subscribe. If you want to see more throwback Alkaline, click on any one of them two videos and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Jamaica's worst gamer.